Time for lunch. You know, as we travel the world for Milk Street, we often do not know what to expect. But today we're in Italy, in Bologna, and we know some of the recipes: ragu bolognese, tortellini in brodo, fried dough, etc. The question is that what people are really cooking today in Bologna?
To make the truly 100% bolognese with the local meat, local flour, local eggs, local pignoletto wine.
You have to meet up with this guy, Eduardo Garcia, who cooks the best beans in the world. So we're going to go up an old Aztec canal.
It's a very special way of growing beans in Mexico.
This is one of the most amazing recipes. There are lots of techniques here too, and also you'll end up being a better cook.
The name vindaloo comes from vin, of vinegar, and alo, which means garlic. So there's a lot of garlic, there's a lot of tang from the vinegar, and a lot of heat.
And whenever you use tomato paste, you really want to cook it. Don't just throw it in and move on. You want to get it so that it gets nice and dark and caramelized. That really brings out the flavor.
When you give tips like that, what you're really saying is, Chris.
It's for everyone. It's for everyone.
And especially for me.
Toasting is going to bring out a lot of the deeper flavors as well as nutty aromas, and it will make this a fantastically aromatic cake.
I know I'm in Galilee, but where specifically am I here?
We're in a town called Drame, which is my father's hometown.
And what we found by putting the eggplant on the top like this, it actually steams and it gets very creamy and soft while the rice cooks.
And we're going to use a rather aggressive amount of salt. This is a whole cup of kosher salt.
Wow.
You got to trust me on this one.
Evidently I do, yeah.
Wouldn't be the first time I asked you to take a leap of faith.
Now I'm going to juice this. Try not to get it.
Well, I've just been juiced.
Sorry.
Just don't put me in the pot.
So welcome. This is HaCarmel market, which is the main market of Tel Aviv, but of all the central of Israel.
It has everything. It's got a little fat, it's got a little bit of lean. Fabio, grazie mille. I traveled like 7,000 miles to eat these beans. It was worth it.
Okay, good.
Serve this for dessert,
Right.
and you're a hero. There are a lot of things that are easy that don't taste good. This is easy and it tastes great.
He's
I'm
speechless.
That's so good. L'chaim.
Alessandro, benvenuto al Savigno.
Ciao carissimo,
Ciao.
è un grande piacere.